Rakkam sangmau la Kyntu ki MLA banwan ra ke jingkala da ke bamang pisa na ke bentaban Pynthymmai bat Shna ki Skul. Uni menteri gatanar pulih putih uli etho bo ula Pynthymmai ya saupusan teli ki Skul ad hoc bat SSA haka constituency jeng da ke bapanan kami ke pisa na ke MLA scheme haka ba kawai ke Skul kayo arlak tengka ban maramot ni ban Pynthymmai. Rakkam sangma ulong balada uwep MLA urai ban Pynthymmai ne tei om dunai kesan pho teli Skul man lakas nem kalong kejingirap ke bakrau bat ula kerpat na do unong yalam kaliang persya ban penan kam ya kepisa SRWP kejong haka jaka ban keno aka ke baude ban le. Rakkam sangma ula penpau kejing ba kejela ke kendo da ke penpau ban ki khatsau hajar teli giyeng Skul ke beran hak jela nari tangkum balai hajar teli kedai ke berang dapan bah. Ula kerpat ibro ki MLA bat MP bakin bo hakmat ki kam ki batai ban ya ke jingken tho. Da ke bai jingmut bakin mang pisa bantai bat Pynthymmai ki Skul na ke benta ke jing bah kalawai ki kena Skul.
Look, it is true, and I would request our Honorable LO, who is a former chief minister, he should do more to see our office. And there are many more like this. Because what happened is, in the last, because when he himself was the chief minister, during those times, look, during his times, no schools was built. My father is a primary government primary teacher. No government LP school was built during his time. Nobody kills. It looks like. So therefore, but last 4 or 5 years under the dynamic leadership of the chief minister, government has decided that to build as much as possible. All the government LP school will be renovated, will be built, will be given a new building, and it has happened also, and it's on the process. And yes, still many adults and many SS schools are still there. It is not easy because there are about 14,000 schools per day. It's not easy. We just reach up to 3,000 to 4,000 till today. Another 70% is still there. Inclusive of all. Right? So there are many. So I would request not only the government. Let's not wait. For me, in the last MLA scheme, I have renovated 45 numbers of adult and the SSA schools under my custody from my local area development fund at the cost of 2 lakhs each. 45 numbers of adult and the SSA schools under Rawara constituencies. If every MLAs decide to renovate or construct at least 50 numbers of schools every year, I mean, we could have done it. I would also request, beginning from Honorable LO, to kindly utilize his SRWP fund maximum to the maximum. And instead of blaming somebody, let's inspire. Let his testimony be, we should not blame anybody. He should preach what he practiced. Therefore, yes, now Honorable LO, I think he might be disturbed today by seeing all this happening, because during his time he also not done much. Right? It is the testimony what he has done in last 8 years during when he was the chief minister.